Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact eBay support. If you need help with orders, payments, returns, or anything else, you can easily contact eBay support. First of all, open up the eBay application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in as well, and from the home page, tap on the My eBay button at the bottom of the screen. Inside the My eBay page, go ahead and tap on Help. You will then open up the Help and Contact section. Scroll all the way down from the page and look for the Contact Us button and tap on it. You can also go ahead and choose the help topic available on the page, but if you don't find your answers there, simply tap on Contact Us. Now select the issues you are having. Choose one of the categories that you need help with. And after you elaborate the categories, you can then find frequently asked questions and answers on the next page. If that still doesn't help, you can go ahead and chat with the automated assistant for eBay or contact the buyer. Now after you open up this eBay's automated assistants, you can go ahead and chat with the help team. Write down what you need help with in the text box at the bottom. You will then be able to receive necessary steps that you can take in order to resolve any kind of a problem. That is how you can easily contact eBay support with just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.